Hey guys, Coach Chris here, and today I want to show you a little sneak peek into my pantry and give you an idea about what I put into my morning super smoothie that I often use before my workouts, or even sometimes in the mid-afternoon between lunch and dinner if I need a snack. So start with 8 ounces of water, enough to cover the blade, and then what I like to do is use a combination of some blackberries and some raspberries to get some color in there and some antioxidants. So we'll just use, I'm going to eye it right now. I don't have a thing to measure it, but I'm just going to put a few in there. Got a little bit of raspberries in there. Number 2, I like to use a green powder. Often I find it's tough to get enough grains to really fuel your body, so I'm going to take a scoop of our super greens powder. I'm going to throw that in there. Actually, just about done. Wipe through that. Number 3, I'm throwing a little bit of collagen protein. As we age, we produce less collagen. This is great for your hair, skin, and nails, even aids recovery from workouts. So I'm going to throw a little bit of the collagen protein in there. This is actually tasteless. This one is grass-fed. They even have a collagen protein now as well. So good stuff. And then the last couple of things is I like to throw in a little bit of milled flaxseed to get some plant-based omega-3s and some extra fiber in there. So again, I'm just going to take a tablespoon, throw that guy in there. Some good quality fats and fiber. A little raw virgin coconut oil, so you get some good quality fats to fuel your workout. So scoop a little bit of that, throw that in there, and we're going to finish it off with a little bit of plant-based protein. I have a sensitivity to whey, so I like to use a plant-based version, so I'm going to take that, throw a couple scoops in there. I like to use a vanilla flavor, and mixes well with the fruit. So we have a little powerhouse smoothie, super nutrient dense. We'll do a quick little blend. We don't want to blend it for too long, but we're going to wrap it up. Lots of color, looks real nice. And what I'll do is I'll drink this up like an hour or so before workouts in mid-afternoon, and tons of energy, good quality nutrients, awesome fuel.